It's your boy Trey, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, now let's go ahead and get to the Jordan 13 Retro Week unboxing. Let's go. Wow. I gotta say, they look good. They look good. Was it a must cop for me? I'm gonna say no. And as a matter of fact, I'm not big on 13s, but I'm feeling the colorway on these, man. I'm feeling the colorways, but I think when I see these on feet, I'm gonna like them better than what I like them now. Your boy hit on the raffle on Foot Locker, and they got delivered on Friday. Now they still have sizes available on Foot Locker, Hibbett, and Sneakers app. Stock X is below retail. I'm not surprised. But yeah, man, these shoes, they look good. They look good. They look good. But I have to see how they look on feet. All right, is it a must cop? No. Do they look good on feet? Yes, they look good on feet, but is it worth the money? I'm gonna let y'all decide. I'm gonna say, nah, man, it's not worth the money. And again, I'm not big on 13s. Your boy gonna take these back, man. I'm gonna take them back. And besides, I just got those olives, the olive 4s. So yeah, that's kind of, I know it's two different colors, but it's a little bit close. But it is what it is, man. Your boy gonna send these back, man. But what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.